Akagwa 1997 gavumenti ya kuno yawaayo ettaka erye Namanve okuzimba ky'amakkolero n'ekigendererwa ekyokusikiriza era abasigansimbi okuva mu mawanga ag'ebweru okujja kuno okusigako ensimbi kw'ossa okutonderawo abavubuka abasomye emirimu.
Where all that we're doing here was doing nothing but people getting killed and their heads when they get beheaded and their heads and their bodies will be dumped here. So government took the decision to transform this place, to make it a zone of job creation and industrialization. And so this is where our industrialization story as NRM government started. And thanks to His Excellency the President, who then gazetted this place to be an industrial area. But from 1991 until 2016, we were not able to see much progress in this park. We only had 15 factories, the likes of roofings and Coca-Cola, among others.
Gavumenti teyakoma okwo mu mwaka gwa 2020 yawaayo ensimbi eziwerera ddala euro obukadde 215 okuzimba enguudo mu kibangirizi kye kimu nga ssente zino zava mu banka yansi yonna.
Which was here, which was logged in the park. We're going to move all of it to through River Namanve to Lake Victoria. Because the biggest problem was that we're in a wetland. And so we wanted to know how we can coexist. So I'm happy that the Lagan Dot, they've explained to me that we'll not have a challenge of wetland or getting our factories getting flooded, because they are going to open River Namanve, which right now is having a depth of 20
meters wide.
It's going to 20 meters wide, but right now it is at
20, it's going to 40.
It's going to 40. So that makes me feel very impressed. But I'm also not so much impressed because we are a bit lagged behind because of natural disasters like COVID. What drives chills in my nerves is the fact that we're left with 1 year to complete the project, and we're not there. We're 60% behind, and that makes me to want us to sit down and move faster than we are. But I trust the team. I trust that Lagan Dot is very committed, and that's why they're here. And the UIA team is also very committed. We're all checking this project. And by the way, the head of state asks this project every other time. So because of that, we are really going to have...
Kyokka ne gye buli eno omulimu gw'okuzimba enguudo gubadde gukyagenda maaso, era ng'olunaku olwaleero Minisita avunaanyizibwa ku nsonga z'abasigansimbi atuuseeyo okulaba we gutuuse. Wabula okusinziira ku bakugu bagamba nti omulimu gw'okuzimba enguudo mu kibangirizi ekya Namanve Industrial Park gubadde gutambula kasoobo, nga kino kyava ku kirwadde ekya COVID-19 ekyakosa emirimu mu nsi yonna.
Limited, which is best here. So yes, we started the project in 2020 around June, and it was a designer and build, just like the Honorable said. So 1 year was intensive designs where we had to carry out numerous studies to understand the environment, the aspect we just put out, to understand the coexistence of the different factory owners and their needs requirements. After we had gotten that done, then we started the execution. But unfortunately or fortunately, this was a swamp or a low-lying area. So we had to start by rockfill. Most of you did not see that part. And then allow it to settle. Otherwise, we would have cracked surfaces at the end. So we took a lot of time filling the swamp with rock, and then eventually studying the rate of settlement. And now eventually we've laid the subsequent layers. In regards to the drainage, which he hinted on, most of this water is channeled back to Lake Victoria. But I want to also state that the difference in height, in levels between Lake Victoria and where we are standing is just half a meter. So you can imagine half a meter of gradient from here all the way to Lake Victoria. So that's why the drainage, which you've seen as we're moving around, is a sensitive area for the project. And
kyokka abakugu bakakasizza nti mu kiseera kino omulimu gutambulira ddala bukwakku era nga gutuuse ku bitundu 40. Minisita Anite agambye nti okusinziira ku ntambula omulimu gye gutambuddemu alina essuubi nti gujja kuggwa mu budde. Okusinziira ku ndagaano eyakolebwa omulimu guno gubulako kati omwaka gumu okuba nga gumaliriziddwa.